Let's go through how I built Aura, a personal health dashboard for monitoring your medical test results over time with Bubble. I started by introducing Claude with Bubble documentation and my idea. Claude wrote me a prompt that I gave to Bubble AI App Builder to kick things off. Bubble AI generated the foundation, core screens, and functionality, so I'm just walking through to see what's there, what's missing, how it looks, and functions. The initial build by Bubble AI is pretty solid. Core functionality and layouts are there. I just need to fix it up a little bit and make sure all links are working correctly and everything's functioning as it's supposed to. When I'm done with cleanup, I asked Bubble AI to create me a sign up and login flow that was missing. It set it all up for me, saving me a lot of time. Now that everything's there and I'm happy with Foundation, I can start designing it to my liking. There as well, I use Bubble AI quite a lot to handle core design changes, though I also did quite a lot of manual tweaking. Now here's the result. Initial foundation by Bubble AI and my own design interpretation of Aura.